Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. So in this video tutorial, we're going to see how to create a wall color, which is a cross-section cut color that you can see that in the image as black color. Every organization, every architectural firms have their own colors, own patterns, and you can see them in a different patterns in their drawings. It will not only on the plan view, it's also on the 3D section view that they have. You can see them in black, dark black, gray, or blue color like this one. You can see them in a different patterns. So in this video tutorial, we're going to see that how to create that color. There are many ways that we can do it. For a simplification, usually in Revit, there is a one option, coarse view color applications. So there is a main difference here, main application here. So this is how we will be able to apply when a view is in the coarse view. There are many ways we can apply. If it is in coarse, what color should be applied? So there is a trick here. Actually, there is a misunderstanding here. So I'll go back by doing the Control Z multiple times like this, and I'll come to the default setting like this. So when you go here on the wall property, by default you'll have an option for edit type, and you have a setting here stating that what color should be applied if it is a coarse. So you can go ahead and apply the color that you wanted. It could be pink, the color that you wanted, and you can change the view into fine, from fine to the coarse, and you'll be able to see that if you have a different wall types, you have to change each the type colors as well. That's the important thing that you have to note it down. In the similar way, you can go ahead and see the section view of the 3D and go to the fine coarse view. It will be in different color as in blue. And why is that? Also, as I said, it's in a property of a floor view, and property of the 3D view is something different. And why is that? So you can go ahead and check the property of the edit type, and you will be able to see that there is a property application here, graphics, callout, and nothing much details are available here. But if you go to the 3D property and you have a setting here, and you have a coarse setting related to this material as well, and you have to go here and apply the by default category material. So this color which comes by default, whatever the color which is applied, this is how you will be able to apply. If it is a coarse, what color should be applied by category type, automatically it should be applied. So this is the one way that we have discussed. I'll make another video tutorial about applying a different material for different layers and different ways that we wanted to present. So with that, I hope this tutorial helped you to create a simplified floor plan or 3D section box without showing the layers, how to apply a common color for the entire wall. So if this tutorial helped you, to share with your learning friends, which helps us and for them as well. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.